So there's no doubt that there's a ton of videos on this actual topic, but every single one of them that I've come across still actually has you making videos. I'm not gonna do that to you. You're actually not gonna have to make any videos in this method. We're gonna be leveraging affiliate marketing, and I just wanna kind of prove to you first, before we jump into it, that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing. We're inside just one of my accounts here, okay? One single affiliate marketing account. And I'm gonna start my stats by just this month. The month is like a little more than half over, okay? And we're gonna look at the stats here. All right, this is just for this month, okay? So believe me when I say that you can make a lot of money with this method if you follow all of the steps. All right, guys, what is going on? Paul James here. Welcome back to another video today. So like the title says, we're gonna talk about how to earn $100 on YouTube without making any videos. Literally every single video I checked out on this topic, there's a lot of them, I'm sure you've seen them. Every single one of them tells you that you don't need to make videos. And then what they have you doing is they have you making videos, but like copying other people's videos, like going on live streams of gamers and like creating highlights or going and using Creative Commons. I'm gonna show you how to actually not make any videos in this tutorial. So smash a like on it for that, because that's gonna be awesome. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, you're gonna wanna do that and take the bell notification icon, because within the first 30 minutes of every video on this channel, I answer all questions that come in the comment section below. So if you have a question for me, that is the best way to reach me, is by subscribing and then commenting within the first 30 minutes of every upload. But anyways, we're not gonna waste any more time. We're gonna hop right on the computer and break this method down. All right, guys, so there's basically 3 steps that we're gonna cover in this video to actually earn $100 per day on YouTube without making videos. So make sure that you stick around, because you're not gonna wanna miss any of these steps, because they all work together with one another. So like I said, we're gonna be leveraging affiliate marketing. The reason why is because I'm going to assume that you're new and that you probably don't have a product. Now, if you do have a product of your own that you wanna sell, that's fine, you can just use your own product. But for those of you who are new and you don't have a product, we're gonna use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to use someone else's product to earn money, which we're gonna be earning $100 a day in this method with YouTube, if executed properly, right? No guarantees, but if you execute it properly. And we're gonna do that by using other people's products. So they'll actually pay us about 50%, sometimes 75% of what the total product's value is, just for recommending it to people, and they'll pay you for bringing that sale to them. And that's what this is all about. And we're gonna leverage YouTube to actually get the sale. But the first thing that we need to do is we need to find a product. So I showed you at the beginning of the video another affiliate network. For this example, we're gonna use ClickBank because it's a more common network that more people can be a part of. And also it has more niches in it, because the network I showed you is only like the business niche. This network though, you can see, go sign up for an account, it's free, it's clickbank.com. And then click Marketplace. And what you're gonna be able to see is you're gonna be able to see different categories in here. So you've got arts and entertainment, you've got as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers, cooking, food and wine. The list goes on and on and on. I want you to pick a niche that you think that you might wanna work in. You know, it's good if it's a popular niche. Like, let's just take health and fitness, for example. If I click on health and fitness, what ClickBank is gonna do is it's gonna show me a list of the health and fitness products. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on that a little bit. So they have a couple different ways to sort their sales, I guess you could say. You could sort results by popularity, average dollar per sale, initial dollar per sale, average percentage per sale, average rebuild total, or gravity. A lot of people recommend sorting by gravity because that's this number right here. You see how it says like 226. Gravity kind of shows what's performing well in ClickBank. I would say either sort by gravity or popularity is going to be fine. But what you're going to want to basically do is you're going to want to, that's the stat you're going to want to pay attention to, is gravity. But you're also going to want to pay attention to the average amount of money you're going to make per sale, which in this case it says $38.07. This one, $77.07. So I would say as close as you can get to $100, the better, because what that essentially means is that you only need, like at $77, you only need about 1 sale per day, you know, 1 1/4 sale per day to make $100 per day. So keep that in mind as you're searching through these products, because, you know, if you pick like this one, now we need 2 sales per day, and that's fine. it's still doable. But I'm just saying, if you want to make it easy on yourself, the higher amount you pick, the easier it's going to be to hit that $100 per day. So I would pay attention to that. I would also pay attention to the gravity. So if the gravity is lower, it means you probably are going to get less conversions, meaning when people visit the sales page, it converts a little bit lower versus up here, it's got a really high conversion. So that's kind of going to be what it's going to depend on, and it's also going to be on the niche. Like flat belly fix, this is going to be more like fitness around like abs, exercises, that kind of fitness. This one though, Organifi, which is about green juices and juicing, this is going to be more about diet. This is going to be more about juicing. This is going to be, this could probably fit into a lot of categories. So I think we should roll with this one. I want to show you some details though, because on some of these links or descriptions in ClickBank, they will give you a link to what's called an affiliate page. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to open it up, because a lot of times you can find some very, very good details on here. So they've done over 30 million in sales. So this is a proven product. So that's good. They'll show you kind of like what the funnel is if you want to look at that, because you're going to earn 30% lifetime commissions on the front end, all upsells and lifetime commissions on rebills and future purchases. That's pretty huge if you think about it for a product that is about juicing, because I'm guessing let's just look and see. Okay, so this is like an organic juice where you scoop out the ingredients and put it into like your juice. So I actually have something similar to this. It's wheatgrass, and I take it probably like 2 or 3 times a week, especially during the winter seasons, like if I think I'm going to get a cold, because it helps with that kind of thing. That's basically what this is. What that means is that this is a product of consumption, meaning people are going to keep ordering it over and over and over again. So that's pretty huge. Okay, so anyways, once you're settled on a product, what you're then going to want to do is just keep that in mind. We can come back to this. But what we need to do is step 2 is we need to find someone else's YouTube video, because we're not going to be making our own. We want to be able to earn this $100 per day without making any videos at all. And like I said, the other methods out there, they have you going to like look up like highlight videos off of like gamers or live streams, or like they'll have you use Creative Commons. No, we don't want to touch any videos at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage the hard work of other people's YouTube videos. That's what step 2 is about. We're going to try and find trending videos. All right, so since this product is all about juicing, I went into YouTube and I just thought, like what would someone who's interested in juicing be typing in? They might be typing in like, what's the best juicer? So I went and I typed that in, and we can go through and we can start looking at videos. Now, I have this plugin called Vid Iq installed. They have a free version. You can install it. The free version has some limitations on their features, but it'll be enough to get you by so that you don't have to pay for it. But what it does is it shows you the percentage rate of like to dislike ratio, which is helpful. So you can actually see if people are actually enjoying the video or not, like this 89%. So if we like come down and there's a video that has like 50% bad reviews, that might not be something we want to go after. But basically what we're looking for is we're looking for good performing videos. Now the other cool thing that you can do is we can find trending videos with this plugin as well, because on the right hand side, it's going to show trending videos. And these are going to be videos that are performing well right now. They're getting like a decent amount of views. So let me just give you a comparison. This one right here by Steph and Adam. It was uploaded 3 days ago. It's called Juicer Comparisons. It's up to 1.5K views. It's getting 22.5 views per hour. So let's compare that to one of these older videos like this one, the best juices of 2019. Let's open this one up. So remember, they were getting 22.5 views per day. All right, vidIQ is going to load on the side of the video here. And what we're interested in is we're interested in that views per hour that this older video is getting. This video is uploaded in 2018 of December. It's not that old. All right, so what we can see here, if we click on the historical tab of the vidIQ, we can see that historically they're getting about 2.5 views per hour. So even though this video has 30,000 views, this is not going to be as good of a choice as one of this video over here, which is getting 22.5 views per hour. That means there's 22.5 people every single hour viewing this video. Let's pull out the calculator once. So 22.5 times 24 hours in a day, we're talking about approximately 540 eyeballs on this video. And don't worry, step 3 is going to be how you're going to get your link in front of this. but I just wanted to point out here what the potential is and kind of what you can use data to figure out and make your decisions on this. All right, so now that you know how to kind of figure out how many eyeballs you can actually get on a certain video, what we need to do is we need to actually look at the video. So let's open it up and we need to see if it's a fit for us. All right, so one of the first things you want to do is you obviously want to go through the video, okay? Go through it, see if it's like a video that's just like a blatant sales pitch for one of their own products. And if it is, that's not going to be a good option for you. You'll just want to go and repeat what we just did and try and find a better video. This video, though, doesn't look like it is to me right now. I'm not going to go through the whole video since it's just purely an example. But, go through it, watch the video. If they're like, go buy my product or check out my link in my description, check out my product, not going to be a good idea. The other thing you want to do is you want to check out the description. And the description, it just says, this is part 4 of our juicing series. This is answering everyone who asked us which juicer we recommend. We've been juicing every day for 1 year. So now we have lots of knowledge to share. And then they link back to another video. That is a good sign that this is just someone putting out a video, sharing information. They're not trying to sell anything. They do have this, which says buy our meal prep cookbook here, but I'm guessing that they're not really pushing that because of the fact that it's way down in the description. They probably put that link in every single one of their videos. So what you want to do is you would want to try and reach out to Steph and Adam, or these people, and don't everyone go and reach out to these people. Like, I'm just showing you an example. I don't want everyone spamming one person, because obviously no one's going to get any results if everyone goes and does that. Go find your own videos and find your own product. But this is purely an example. But what you would do is you would reach out to them and you would ask them if you could pay them to put your website in their description, okay? So you want to put your website in the description of their video. So like in the first line, like just put a call to action that says, click here to learn more about, or click here to find out how to avoid juicing, could be a good one, because this product, they don't actually have to juice. So could be something like that. And you might get ideas of what exactly you could put. You could put something like, click here to find out how to supercharge your life in just 30 seconds a day. And boom, it could be a link to your website. Now, obviously, it's not going to be your website, but what it's going to actually be is it's going to be an affiliate link to your ClickBank product. So that is step 3. Step 3 is once you actually find proven videos that are getting a lot of eyeballs, you're going to reach out to the video creator and you're going to ask them if you can pay to put your link in there. So you can figure out how much you can afford to pay based on what your sales are, based on what the product pays. If it pays $77, if you can make one sale per day, we're talking about $700 a week or so, maybe more, maybe less, maybe 600, just depends. You might make a sale and a half a day. It just kind of depends what it's going to be, depending on how many eyeballs you get on it. So maybe you can tell them, hey, I'll pay you $100 to put this link on there. Or maybe you'll work out a deal with them that you'll give them money after, maybe in every week you'll give them money. I'll give you, $50 a week. It could be something like that where you pay them after the week is over so that you can make some sales first to actually do that, so you don't have to stick money up front. But whatever you do, come up with a deal that's enticing to them that they will say yes to, so that you can get your link in the description of their video. And this way you avoid making any videos at all, but now you can actually get people coming to your link and making affiliate sales. So if you click on like the channel of the creator, you might be able to find contact details. And this might be the tricky part because you're not always going to be able to. But some people, like these guys do, you click here and you can view their email address for business inquiries. So that's cool. That makes it really easy. Otherwise, you might have to go look up top and scout their Facebook page, hit them up there, look on their Instagram, maybe DM them, and just tell them you're looking to sponsor their video. Give them a link to the video that you want to sponsor and say, all I want you to do is put my website in there. So that is it. It's very, very easy to actually get going with this method without actually having to create any videos of your own. You can do this without owning your own products. You're simply leveraging affiliate marketing and leveraging other people's videos who've already done the hard work. And you can just rinse and repeat. So if you're not at that $100 a day mark off of just one video, cool, go out and find more videos that you can do this for. And then it's just a matter of clicking this promote button. You just hit generate hop links and it'll give you your link. So very, very easy. Now, what you can do if you want to really take things to the next level, you can copy this link and you can shorten it up using a service like Bitly. So we just paste our link right here, we hit shorten, and now we get a short link here that we can copy, just like that. That would take us automatically to the link. Now, if we put a plus sign after this Bitly link as well, this will give us some cool tracking features. Let me show you. So if we put the plus sign after it and hit enter, it'll show us stats on how many clicks that it actually gets on the link. So that will allow us to see how the video is doing. So what I would recommend you actually do is for each video you go after, you generate a separate Bitly link to give them. And that will allow you to keep track of how well the video is performing that you're paying for. So you could keep an Excel spreadsheet, keep a title of the video, a link of the video, and then your Bitly link. And that'll allow you to come in every so often and keep track of how many clicks it's getting. And then you'll be able to, accurately see what is performing well and what isn't. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I'm gonna leave a link to another video that you should check out. It's about the top 7 ways to actually get started making money. Also, you're gonna wanna make sure you check out the link in the description. I have a link to a free masterclass with even more free training, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. Also, make sure that you're subscribed with notifications turned on, because in the first 30 minutes of every video, I answer all questions that come in the comment section of the video below. So if you have a question for me, that is the very best way to get it answered. But anyways, guys, we'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.